Hi, I'm visiting my cousin Eddie's gang in the big city. Say hello, Rocky.
Hello, Rocky. Yeah, hi, people. Coco's hanging out with me in the gang because he can handle the crunch. New Kellogg's Coco Pops Crunchers. Chunky, chocolatey nuggets for a massive chocolatey crunch. But not everyone can handle the crunch.
What are they so ratty about?
Coco Pops Crunchers, can you handle the crunch?
It's not awful.
Yeah, right. I know. Coco Pops Crunchers. Awesome. Wicked. That's the best sound they've made all day.
You can really handle the crunch.
Coco Pops Crunchers, can you handle the crunch?
Whoa, now we're really rocking.
Yeah, like these cool wobble mods. Brilliant Coco Pops Crunchers boxes.
Hey, keep on rocking,
Can
boys.
you handle the crunch?
Sewer rats can't handle it.
Yay!
Contra rats can't handle it. It's not awful.
Yeah, right. I know. Coco Pops Crunchers. Awesome. Wicked. Hey, that's the best sound they've made all day.
You can really handle the crunch.
Coco Pops Crunchers, can you handle the crunch?
Rocky dropped in with the new Crunchers box, but it drifted away and landed on old Croc.
The wind blew in a parachute.
We set off together to look for them and followed the trail to Croc's den. He poured them out, but we could tell they couldn't handle the crunch, and down the house fell. Coco Pops Crunchers now come in a box as loud as their crunch.
Coco Pops Crunchers, can you handle the crunch?